Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and today I have the Ipsy Bag and Ipsy Bag Plus for the month of October. So if you somehow have not already seen what's in this month's bag for October, well, thank you for watching my video. So let's just get right into this. So I've already opened the box, I've already opened the bags, and let's just get right into it. So first we have our traditional Ipsy Bag. This is a very cute bag, first off. It is perfectly on theme for Halloween. Yes, Ipsy, you're so punny. I love it. So the bag is black. It's got a purple interior, or I should say black with purple detailing for the zipper. The zipper has a spider charm. Ew, totally creepy. But yes, totally on theme for Halloween. The bag itself is so cute because it even has web embossing. I'm not sure how well that reads on camera, but it is decorated with web embossing. Silver Ipsy. So what was in this month's Ipsy bag? It's actually a good selection of items. I already have everything pulled out, so let's just go through them really quick. First, we got Fenty Beauty. This is Hot Cherry. This is the Gloss Balm Heat. And how awesome is this lip plumper? This is gorgeous, and this is a full size. And it smells like cherry. I love it. It smells like hot cherry, a little spicy. And then next, we've got KVD Beauty. This is Verdetta Green. This is the tattoo pencil liner. And once again, the shade is Verdetta Green, and it's kind of this deep forest green. I love it. So a nice way to dramatize your eyes instead of just leaning into the traditional black shade that we all tend to use. So I love liners like this. Kapari, we got a deluxe size Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. Ooh, I've been dying to try this. This has prickly pear and coconut oil in it as well, and I have not tried it yet. So let's see if we can take off the little safety seal and get a little sniff. Smells good. Okay. So dying to try this. Brand I'm not familiar with. This is Deto or Deto. This is the Magic Feather Intense Volume Mascara. Deto or Deto? Ditto? Not sure how it's pronounced. Take a look at the mascara. Woohoo! That's an interesting shape. A nice curved wand. And once again, this is the Intense Volume Mascara. This is Magic Feather from Deto. D-I-T-O. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. I love being introduced to a brand that I'm not familiar with. And the last item that's in this month's Ipsy bag is or I should say sample size, bareMinerals Mineralist. This is the lasting matte liquid lipstick in the shade Spirited. So a matte liquid lipstick from bareMinerals, and looks like it's a nice, almost brick red, it looks like. I'm into it. So that's this month's Ipsy bag. And I do love that everything does actually fit in the bag. I'm a sucker for makeup bags, and I love it when I can put all my makeup in a makeup bag. So that is the makeup bag. So now we got the makeup bag plus. Wait till you see what's inside this one. This one's good. First off, the bag. It is a purple and black drawstring bag. I love little bags like these. They just come in handy. They're super cute. This one has an awesome Halloween theme. There's snakes, skulls, potions, spiders. There's a bat's head. There's herbs. There's, oh my gosh, there's so much stuff on here. There's a jack-o'-lantern. There's a hand. There's a tombstone. Hey, I think I even see Freddy Krueger's glove. There is a glove with like knives on it, like Freddy Krueger style. So very cool bag. Really like it. You'll have to freeze frame and take a look at all the little designs that are on here. So let's just start pulling stuff out. So much cool stuff in this bag this month. So first we have Dew of the Gods. First off, best name for a skincare company ever. Dew of the Gods. And these are under eye volumizing collagen pads. There's 10 sets, and let me just pull these out. Very cool. So they're just under eye patches that you put underneath your eyes, and you get 10 sets. That is really generous. Yeah, you do actually, 10 sets. That's a lot. Very cool. I also love the packaging. I love the container. And I cannot wait to use this. So Dew of the Gods. Next we have Earth Harbor. Look how pretty this is. So it does come with the box with all the information on it. So this is Earth Harbor. This is Cloudburst. This is a balancing gel hydrator. It has marine probiotics and an herbal complex. So it sounds super duper hydrating. And ooh, it says use as a daily toning essence morning and night. Ooh, pat into skin until absorbed. Apply after cleanser and prior to other treatments and moisturizers to improve their absorption. Okay, so I thought this was like a gel moisturizer, but this is almost like a serum. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna be using this. This sounds amazing. And it's really pretty too. Okay, oh, I've actually purchased this in the past, so I'm happy to have this in my Ipsy Bag Plus. We got good old e.l.f. Eyes, Lips, Face. This is Holy Hydration. This is the Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and peptides. And it even has a little spatula. So you can scoop that product out and not contaminate the product with your fingers. This really is great for just, as it says, melting your makeup. Great way to remove your makeup from your eyes, from your face, and then go in with your usual facial cleanser and the rest of your skincare routine. This also has a really nice clean smell to it. So we've got that, very awesome, love it. And then, oh yes, we got a makeup brush. You can never have too many makeup brushes. I'm always happy to have another makeup brush. This is from the YC collection, and this looks like it could be either like a highlighter brush or a blush brush, or even just like a setting powder brush, or however you want to use the brush. But it feels very nice and soft, and it's very pretty. Love black and pink. This is great. Could always use another makeup brush. And then the last item in the bag is we have an eyeshadow palette. This is the brand Estate, and this is the Fall Edit. And let me show you this. This is a gorgeous neutral color story. I love that it does have kind of a fall vibe to it, but very pretty. We've got shimmers, we've got mattes, do we have satins? Yeah, it looks like, yeah, we have shimmers, mattes, and satins, it looks like. And just, I really dig this color story. I think this is a nice everyday, go to school, go to work, or just on days you want to wear makeup, but you don't want to be like dramatic. But you can bring the drama with these shades if you want to. Love, you can definitely bring the glamour. Love it. So that's the Fall Edit by Estate. So this is everything that is in the Ipsy Bag Plus this month. Excellent selection of products. We got skincare, we got makeup, we even got accessories to put on our makeup, and everything fits in the bag. That's always my favorite, when everything fits in the bag. All right, this was gifted to me by Ipsy. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, leave comments. I love it when you guys interact with me. Okay, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.